I don't know if it's going to do it justice for you to see, but I can promise you that this color looks completely different in real than what it does in this video. For the bumpers and for the fender flares and arch flares, we're going to go with a darker grey. As you can see, we've got a dark grey here, and this is to contrast the silver metallic. Now this is a two-tone that I'm going for, and I've seen a vehicle exactly with this colors in the States, and I fell in love with the color combo, and I decided I was going to look for something that could emulate the color combo that I saw the vehicle in the States, and this is the closest I can get to it. So here we go. Avery Denison 10-year warranty silver metallic, and then we've got the darker grey Hexes vinyl wrap. Now for our mirror caps and boot fin, or boot spoiler as you would call it, we've got the carbon, and we're going to wrap the carbon bits on the same time as we're wrapping the body. So once again, it's not going to do you justice to see it on the video, but you will see what it looks like once it's all wrapped. It's a nice dark carbon, and that will go nicely with the silver metallic. As you can see, silver metallic, the carbon, and we have the dark grey. A nice color combo. So the mirror caps and the boot fin will be in the carbon. Body wise, we'll have the doors, the bonnet, and the roof, and the boot lid in the silver metallic. Our bumpers, fender flares, arch flares, and door flares that comes on the outback will be in this darker grey color. I'm back and it's been fantastic wrapping this car. I learned a lot. I did a lot, and I'm happy with the outcome. It's the end of the day, and let me know what you think. Let me know about the color scheme that I chose for the car. Let me know what your comments are down below. Thanks to Riza Omar for doing the drone footage this afternoon with me, and yeah, I'm hoping that you guys really digged the color scheme that I chose for the car, and there's more in store for the car. I'm not done with the car. I'm still going to do plenty more, so keep watching this channel, and you'll see what the future holds for the Outback. Well, that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching, sticking around. Much love to you all, and I appreciate each and every one of you watching this video and commenting. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think. Good, bad, neutral, whatever you want to say. I read each and every one of your comments, and I will try to respond to each and every one of you. So please do leave a comment. It will mean the world to me. And do hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to make sure that you are informed when I upload the next video. Anyway, let me get back to editing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.